Hello friends, I am Dr. Sandipaa. Welcome all to our channel Homeopath. In this channel, I'll be uploading subject concerning homeopathy, how to apply practically homeopathy and practice homeopathy scientifically in a classical way. I already done a few videos on this subject, friends. If you are interested in these type of subjects, please like, share and subscribe our channel. So I already done one video on how disease progresses in the human body, taking into consideration the germ layers. So human body is evolved from germ layers, that is ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. So in the previous video I have talked about ectoderm and endoderm. Today we will talk about mesoderm. So mesoderm give rise to bones, muscles, joints, dermis and cartilage. So these are the organs evolved from mesoderm germ layer, and the diseases occur in these organs: muscle, joint, bones, cartilage and dermis. So what are the diseases in the third level is, if you take dermis into consideration, psoriasis is one of the chronic disease which we will find in the dermis level, that comes in the third level of the disease suppression. So another disease in third level is arthritis, rheumatism of bones and muscular pains, myalgia what we call as. And another disease in the third level is hoarseness of voice, spondylitis and alopecia. So these are the diseases which occur in the third level of disease suppression. So disease progresses in the human body according to the germ layers, that is ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm organs. Then higher organs, the disease travels. So today I talked about mesoderm germ layer giving rise to which organs and which are the diseases which we can see if the disease is suppressed and if the disease comes to the third level of suppression. The disease travels in the human body in a very systematic way. As you know, the suppression treatment is being given by so many doctors, and whenever the disease is suppressed, the disease force will change its location and manifest in the different organs. So whenever the disease suppresses, it goes to the higher level of organs. First, the superficial organs are affected, then the disease travel through the different tissue, cell and organs to reach the more important organs. The more important organs will not be affected very suddenly, and they will not get the disease force without the affection of the lower level organs. So, a scientific homeopathic practitioner should have a clear mindset about the diseases, about the prognosis, about the diagnosis, about the treatment aspect, and about Hering's law of cure. So if he has this all the things in his practice, then he will be in a position to practice homeopathy in a scientific way, classical way. Hahnemannian homeopathy can be practiced by knowing all these things. So, disease suppressed will go to the higher level of organs, and disease cure will be in a reverse order of the appearance of the symptom, as Hering's law of cure tells us. So, homeopathic physician must be capable of understanding the disease in its totality, in its minuteness, in its progress, and in its cure process. If you know all these things, then you are in a position to treat each and every case. So, in this session, I talked about third layer diseases and the third layer organs. In future, I will be doing few more videos on how this disease force suppressed and it will go to the higher level of organs to affect the higher level of organs to have a serious chronic diseases. This is all today, friends. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and please, if you have any doubts, please put in the comment section. In future, I will be doing more videos on practical approach of homeopathic practice. Thank you and take care.